Hello.
Hello, Karen. How are you doing? Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, it is.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Where are you now? Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. What about you?
I'm from India.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
you're from Mexico, and where are you now? Where do you live?
I live in Mexico.
Oh, at the same time. Because sometimes tutors are from the other place and live at other
Ah,
place.
that's
Yeah,
true. Yeah, I've heard a lot about that. Hmm.
yeah. So, how have you been? What are you doing these days?
Um, it's been pretty good, I think. What have I been doing? I've been working, spending time with family, reading, you know, just mainly this. What about you? What do
Cool.
you do? What did you do on your weekend?
Uh, Actually, it's my working day. Okay.
Mm.
So almost every day is similar, working, working, and working. And I'm working as a construction supervisor.
Oh, I couldn't hear you.
I'm working as a construction supervisor. Okay.
Oh, okay. I
So
see.
I'm still at work. Right
Ah,
now I'm at work, but I booked the session and I just got 15 minutes from the work and I'm talking to you. So
I
workers
see.
are working under my supervision. So they are
Okay.
working and I'm slightly far away from my workplace. Not
I
too far.
see.
Yeah.
See. All
So
right then.
right now I'm in South India. Okay, the state
Oh,
called Karnataka.
uh-huh.
Yes. So at this time I'm in the garden here.
I can see that.
Yes, you can see there are a lot of coconut trees. Okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, everywhere coconut trees. In fact, I'm under coconut trees right now.
Okay. That's very nice. And how's
Yeah,
the weather there?
very nice weather. I'm so happy because of the
Really?
weather. Yes, and at this time it's cloudy. Okay, because rainy season started yesterday here. The first rain. It was the first rain yesterday of rainy season,
Mm,
and yeah, and the temperature is around I think plus 26 right now.
mm.
Plus around plus 26 or 25. So weather is so cool and I like it.
I
And
see.
tell me one thing that I mean culture in
Mm,
Mexico. Okay, culture in Mexico. For example,
mm.
if I go there, which kind of food should I try, or which place should I must visit there?
Um, I think for tourists, the most common place to go is a beach called Cancun.
Kangaroo,
Cancun.
kangu.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes, I'll write it down. But yes, it's a beach in the south. It's very, it's one of the most touristic places here. Um, and about food, I mean, most people like tacos, Tacos are very popular here. So maybe you can
tacos.
try some tacos. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. All
So
right.
you
And have you
said the
ever
first one, Kakon, right? And
Cancun?
the
Yes.
Cancun. Okay. And the second one, can you write it, please?
Ah, okay. Yes. So I said tacos. This is the food.
The second one, tacos.
Mhm. Oh,
Okay.
yes. So Cancun is the beach, right? That's very popular here.
Okay.
Hmm.
Quite
Yes.
touristic place.
Yes, it is a touristic place.
Okay.
Exactly.
And
Yeah.
what and which food will be the best recommendation?
Well, I like I said, tacos or